And do this one, the middle one. And when you're sculpting for the contour, you want to kind of pucker up so you can see the line of your cheekbone. And then also go around your hairline too. Also the jaw. Okay. Now with a bigger brush, do a little bronzer right above, pretty much between the highlight and the contour. You want to do a little bronze, just like on the cheekbone, like this. I love bronze. Bronze are so pretty. And also right around the mouth. Okay. Now I'm going to do the underline. Again, MAC. And this one is called Graph Black, which is Technical Liner Eyeliner Kajal, which looks like this, and it's retractable. It's a very good liner. I'm going to pull down my eye and do the waterline. As such. Sometimes you have to go back in. Sometimes it depends. But something very simple, very light. So fix your eyebrow if you need to. Make sure the hairs are adjusted. And actually, I'm going to bring out, to make my eyes pop more, the Too Faced Chocolate Chip Mini Palette. And I love this palette. It smells like cocoa powder. Smells good. I'm going for this shimmery bright white with this little it's like a spongy type. But I'm just gonna dab it, the excess, and put it right in the corner. Just dab it like that. Right in the corner. Right like that. I wasn't actually going to do that, to be honest, but since I'm making a tutorial. Anyways, now the finishing touches. Did the contour, did a quick eyebrow just to fill it in, did my lashes, my eyeliner. Now I'm going in. If you have dark eyes, you want to do a light lip. But I'm going a little bit more dramatic. So although I kind of have dark eyes, they're semi-dark, I'm going to do a dark lip. But usually when I do this look, I go for like a nude. But I'm going to use two more MAC products. This is Chestnut again that I actually used for here. I'm gonna line my lips. Chestnut MAC. This is actually what I used to do when I was 16. I love this lip. And then I'll be going and filling my lips with Oh Baby. Yep. Oh Baby. And it's the finished look. make it a little better, I'll put my hair down. Usually I wear weave. However, it's my natural hair. I will do tutorials on lace fronts also. And this, guys, is the finished look. Again, please subscribe, hit thumbs up. I'll be coming to you with more tutorials, lace fronts, and more makeup. Thank you so much. And again, subscribe. I highly appreciate the love and the support. I hope you like this. Any questions, comments, leave it below. Thank you.